In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer in Horizon Forbidden West to enable cheats like infinite health, resources, and more. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down under files like the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon, double click on the trainer exe and select the yes option. And now launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Super damage, one hit kills, infinite health, infinite arrow, bow, instant charge. Once you turn on the cheats you like to use, minimize this and get back to the game. Just one hit, easy to kill. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.